to do is take out your packet. So maybe you worked on your butterfly, maybe you went to play, you had a choice, whatever you needed at that moment, because I know it's a long time to sit. I struggle sitting that long. I want you to turn to the next page. Here is your test. My sweets, the first thing I need you to do is to draw your name line. Okay, so if you don't have a ruler, see if you can find a piece of paper or something later that has a straight edge for you to draw your name line. I'm going to quickly do that. There's no inches today. You're just drawing dot to dot. Let me scooch this back so I have room here. I'll do the date and the day with you guys. Excuse me, with you guys. All right. Hey, Karina. All right, my loves, what I need you to do is write your name at the top. If you don't have a ruler yet, that's okay. You can use a piece of paper or something later to draw your straight line with. All right. The screen keeps like blinking on my end. I just want to make sure it's clear for you guys. The date today, so we're still in the month of April. Next week's the last week of April. So when I see you guys again, it's going to not be April anymore. It's going to be my birthday month. So after April, January, February, March, April, then it'll be May. But we're still in April. So the first letter you hear in A, April, is the letter A. So I want you to write uppercase A. A, p, p, p. What letter says P? P. So you're going to make a P. A, P, What letter says R? A, P, I. Cute little I. A, P, L. Today is the 22nd, so we need to write a 22. A 2 and a 2 makes 22. Then you need your cute little comma and your year, 2021. 2021. All right, today is Thursday. So Thursday, you put your tongue between your teeth. So the two letters that make that sound is TH. So you write uppercase T, H, and then URS. So we're going to write U, R, S, and then day, D, A, Y. All right, my sweets, you're just using your regular pencil. My loves, this is a test, so you're grown up. Whoever is sitting there cannot help you. Parents, it's okay if your child makes a mistake. I just want to see how they're doing, and it's good for you too to see how they're doing. My loves, thank you for having your videos off and your microphones off. My sweets, on the test, remember, I just want you to do your best. Just do your best, okay? I'm not going to get upset, mad at all. All I want you to do is try your very best, okay? Always, always. No one's ever going to get mad at you for trying your very best. My sweets, this is exactly what we practiced yesterday. My loves, it says for number 1, Lucy drew 10 pictures. This is a test, so I can't help you. Remember yesterday for pictures, we made P's. She drew 10 pictures. My loves, I need you to draw 10 P's. Quietly do that at your house. Draw 10 P's. A P looks like this. Draw 10 P's. When you're done, go back and double check. Make sure you drew only 10. Double check. Make sure you drew 10. Then it says that she gave 2 away. She lost 2 because she gave them to her grandma. So how are you going to show that she lost 2? Don't tell me. Show me on your paper. This is a test. She didn't get more. She sent 2 away. Show me that she lost 2. All right. Now, my loves, you need to write your number sentence down here. So listen carefully. I'm going to help you kind of. It says that she started with 10 pictures. So you know what number you need to write. She started with 10. Then it says she gave 2 away. She lost 2. So what sign do you need? And how many did you cross off? How many did she give away? She gave 2 away. Then you need another sign. What sign do you need? And then, my sweets, count how many pictures she has left that you still have on your paper. Quietly do that. Count how many pictures she has left. All right, I'll tell you one more time. She started with 10. She lost 2. What sign means she lost some? She lost 2. How many pictures does she have left? You guys are doing great on your test. You guys always do a nice job working quietly. My sweets, what you need then is your red. Take out your red, please. If you don't have a red, you can just use your pencil. That's fine. I'm trying to go nice and slow so everybody has enough time. My loves, for number 2, it says color the congruent shapes red. So you're looking at these shapes here. Congruent means same shape, same size. Look carefully. I cannot help you. Which 2 are exactly the same? They both have to be exactly the same color, them red. If you don't have a red, then just use your pencil to color them. That's fine. Look carefully. Color the 2 that are the same red. My loves, you can just leave your red out, okay? Because you're going to use it for number 3. All right, if you need more time for that, you can come back at the end, okay, my sweets? I don't want to take too long. Number 3 says divide these squares into fourths 2 different ways. So do that. Cut this one into fourths. You need to know how many pieces that is. And then do this one differently, just like we practiced. Cut these 2 squares into fourths 2 different ways. I'll give you time to do that. Quietly do that. Then you're going to need your red. And it says you need to color 1/4 of each square. You need to know how many pieces you need to color. Listen carefully. You're going to color 1/4 of this square. You're going to color 1/4 of the square on the right. Color 1/4 of the left square, 1/4 of the right square. You need to know how many pieces that is. When you're done with your red coloring, you can take out your brown. If you don't have a brown, just use your pencil. If you're done coloring 1/4 of each of those squares, carefully, because I can't tell you how many pennies there are, you need to color all of the pennies. Now, remember that the ones that have the head aren't just pennies. You need to know what the back of the penny looks like too. Be careful, color all of the pennies. Don't color the dimes. Be careful. Color all of the pennies brown. I can't tell you how many. For number 4, color all of the pennies. Don't color the dime. Be careful. When you're done coloring the pennies, I want you to use your regular pencil and draw a line between your dime and the penny so you know where to switch, counting by 10s and 1s. Also, don't forget to write how much a dime is on top and how much the pennies are on top. That's going to help you count. Write how much the dime is, write how much the penny is on top. Right. My loves, I'm going to start counting with you and then you're going to have to finish it. This is a test. Okay, so your grown-up can't help you. I can't help you. I will start counting with you. We're going to count by 10s and then switch to 1s. You have to do it by yourself. You're going to write how much money right under this square. Okay, count with me quietly at home. Ready, set, go. 10, switch. One more makes. You need to do it quietly by yourself. I'll help you one more time, and then I'll give you time to count by yourself if you need it. Ready? We're start with the dime. Ready? If you're done, double check. Smart to double check. Ready, set, go. 10, switch. 10 and one more makes. Right, how many cents you have on this line. I'm going to give you time if you need to count again. Thank you, all of you, for keeping your videos and your microphones off. Mr. Barch brought home Tamia's math office for us. So my loves, down here at the bottom. Tamia, I hope that's okay, my love. I know you don't mind. You need to finish this. This is just what we practiced yesterday. I'm going to give you time. You're going to finish all of these number patterns. Okay? What I will do is I will take my brown. Tamia, I will erase this later. I'm going to put a circle right here on 35. Okay? My loves, for this first one, it says 35, 34, 33. You're counting backwards. 35, 34, 33. You need to finish filling in this number pattern. 35, 34, 33. I put the brown dot right here. You're going to finish that number pattern. You're going to count by twos and then by fives. So I'm going to give you time to do that. Okay, and look right here on the hundreds chart. You're going to have lots of time. When you're done, thank you for being patient. Go back and double check. Go back and double check. Make sure you counted backwards correctly. Remember how I showed you to count up? Double check your twos, your skip counting, and double check your fives. When you're done, thanks for being patient. I just want to give everybody enough time. All right, I'm going to give you one more minute. That way you had 5 minutes. If you don't finish something, you can always come back. I'm going to give you one more minute. All right, my sweets, it's okay if you did not finish something. You can always come back and finish it later, okay? My loves, what I do want you to do, thanks for working so hard on your test. I know you guys did great. Parents, thank you for not helping. I know it's hard when you see your child make a mistake you want to like fix it and correct them so they get a good grade, but it's so good for you and I to see what they can do, what they have mastered, and what they still need to practice on. And it's okay to still have to practice things. That's okay. Because as grown-ups, we still need to practice things too. My sweets, if you didn't finish, it's okay. What I want you to do, you'll have time later, is turn to the next page. You'll see backpacks and lunch boxes. I'm going to grab my big paper here. My sweets, I do want you to write your name at the top. You don't need to write the date. All right, so write your name at the top. Oh my. You don't have to write the date. All right, so names at the top. I'm going to tape this so that it stays and you guys can still see. Oh, just stay. All right, let's hope that stays. My sweets. This is going to be fun. You're going to love it. Make sure you have colors out, okay? You're going to need colors. It says, Marco has 2 backpacks. One is blue and the other is yellow. He also has 2 pencil boxes. One is red and the other is green. Each day, he brings a backpack and a pencil box to school. Color the backpacks and the pencil boxes to show all the different ways he could bring a backpack and a pencil box to school. All right, so what is the first thing that we have to do here? Told us a lot of information about the backpacks and the pencil boxes. We have to color the backpacks and the pencil boxes, right? So it says he has 2 backpacks. One is blue and the other is yellow. So my sweets, you know what you need to do. Take out your blue and take out your yellow. Right, it says one is blue, one is yellow. So now we need to color these backpacks. So take your blue, color this one blue in the top left. Let's color these pictures to solve the problem, to show all the different ways he can take a backpack and a pencil box to school. All right, well, if this backpack was blue, that means this backpack should be yellow. So when you're done, take your yellow. Can you hear my dogs howling? I don't know if you... So whenever there's, whenever we're right by the Brown Deer Fire Department, so whenever there's a fire truck or a police car that goes by and their sirens are going, my dogs howl because the siren actually hurts their ears. It's too high pitched, so it actually hurts their ears. So they howl. So there you go. That was your excitement for the day. They're saying, good job on your test, you guys. Oh, my silly dogs. They do that whenever the fire engine or a police car or the ambulance goes by. They're always howling because the siren hurts their ears. So, or when they practice the tornado siren once a month, they're always out there howling with the siren. Oh, they're funny. All right. So down here again, we're going to color this backpack blue, okay? Because we got to show all the different ways he's going to take a backpack and a pencil box to school. So this backpack will stay blue. Adelia, I saw that you raised your hand, so you must have heard them howling. Oh gosh, they're funny. They were napping out there in the sun, and they start howling. This backpack is blue. That means this one will be yellow. Look at all the things you get to hear and see and do when school is from my house. All right. It says Marco has 2 backpacks. One is blue, the other is yellow. We did that. Then it says he has 2 pencil boxes. One is red, the other is green. So you need to take out your red and your green, my dears. Take out your red and your green. Then it says each day he brings a backpack and a pencil box to school. Color the backpacks and the pencil boxes to show the different ways he can take one to school. Well, what color should we make this pencil box to go with blue? Maybe on Monday he wants to take his red one, his red with his blue. So let's color this pencil box red. Maybe he takes his red pencil box and his blue backpack. So if he takes his red pencil box and his blue backpack, what color pencil box does he take in his yellow backpack? His green, you got it. So color this pencil box green. But you know, maybe he doesn't like taking his red pencil box in his blue backpack. Maybe he likes taking what color in his blue backpack? Green. Maybe he likes to take his green pencil box with his blue backpack. So take your green, color this one green. We're showing all the ways he can take his pencil boxes with his backpacks. So maybe he takes red pencil box with a blue backpack. Maybe he takes green pencil box with his blue backpack. Well, if he takes green with his blue backpack, then what color does he take with yellow? Red. So color this pencil box red. We're coloring the picture to solve the problem, to show all the ways he can take his backpack and pencil boxes to school. My loves, I want you to turn your paper over when you're done coloring. We have a back side to do. You don't have to write your name on the back because you just wrote it on the front. This side, you see lunch boxes and folders. So let me tape this so it stays. All right. Okay, my sweets, you can put your red and your green. Actually, keep these out. Don't put them away. Don't listen to me. So we're going to need them. It says Sabrina has 2 lunch boxes. One is purple and the other is orange. She has 2 folders. One is green and the other is red. Each day she brings a lunchbox and a folder to school. Color the lunch boxes and folders to show the different ways she can bring a lunchbox and a folder to school. All right, so it says first she has 2 lunch boxes. One is purple and the other is orange. So we need to take out our purple and our orange. Take out purple and orange. Is this purple? No. Purple and orange. My sweets, let's color this top left one purple. Maybe she takes this purple one to school first. I need to peel this. My tape just came off. You can keep coloring, my sweets. I'm just going to peel this. Oh, good grief. The tape keeps popping off. Oh, my word. This lunchbox is purple, my sweets. I know you're probably done already. Then that means the other lunchbox we're going to color orange. This one is orange. And then we're going to do the same thing down here. Purple lunchbox, orange lunchbox. We're going to show all the ways you can take lunchboxes and folders to school. All right. Then I had you keep out your green and your red because it says she has two folders which are green and red. So I just had you keep them out so you didn't have to take them out again. So what color do you think she wants to take with her purple lunchbox on the first day? Purple and green. Maybe she wants to take the green one, the purple. Let's color this folder green. Green folder with her purple lunchbox. Well, if she takes green with the purple, that means what color does she take with the red? I just told you. What color does she take with the orange? Red. She takes green with purple. That means she takes red with orange. Oh, silly Mrs. Barch, right? Okay. Maybe she doesn't take green with purple. Maybe she wants to take what color folder with her purple lunchbox? Red. Maybe she wants to take red with purple. So color this red folder down here with her purple. Maybe she likes to take red and purple together. If she takes red with her purple, that means what color does she take with her orange? I didn't tell you this time. Green. You got it. So take your green. Color this folder green. My loves, you can take your red crayon. You can cross this part off down here at the bottom. It says you need to explain how we solve the problem. Well, I'm not gonna have you write it, but what did we do? We colored the picture, right, to solve the problem. So we can see that, well, maybe she takes her green folder with her purple lunchbox, or maybe she takes her red folder with her purple lunchbox. Maybe she likes to take red with orange. Maybe she likes to take green with orange. So we showed all the different ways to solve that problem just by coloring the picture. My sweets, you did great today on your test and with your following along with me with your math paper. My sweets, if you need to go back and finish any part of the test, you can. If you didn't do your butterfly because you played earlier, which is okay, totally take time today sometime to color that butterfly. If you want to cut it out, you can. Make sure your name's on the back. And I can put a popsicle stick on the back for you. Hey, it's sunny out. So if your parents let you, go have fun, play outside. It's going to be a beautiful, beautiful day, way better than the snow yesterday. I love you. I miss you. And I'll see you tomorrow. There's no Bible lesson tomorrow. So underneath where you click to join my live stream, I'll post the chapel link so you guys can watch chapel tomorrow morning whenever you have time. So right away at 8 will be reading lesson, okay? So no Bible lesson tomorrow. I'll post the chapel link right underneath. Bye, my sweets. I love you. Have a good day.